Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Check your OS version and that you have admin or sudo rights. This lets you change execution policies. Once done, install any runtime you need. PowerShell for Windows, Python or Node for cross-platform, Bash on Linux or Mac OS. Make sure path is updated so commands run from a terminal. After installation, open an elevated shell and verify versions. That verifies the environment is ready for policy changes and scripting. Next, you'll change execution settings and grant permissions. On Windows, run PowerShell as admin and set execution policy, remote signed or use bypass for transient sessions. That allows local scripts to run while reducing risk. On Mac OS and Linux, mark scripts executable with chmod plus X and include a proper shebang line so the kernel selects the interpreter. Then set ownership and group, and add sudoers entries if scripts must run elevated without a password. Once configured, test with a small safe script to confirm the flow. Finish by running full tests and locking down what you changed. Execute the target script, inspect exit codes, and review logs to confirm behavior. Make sure outputs and side effects match expectations. Then harden, sign scripts where supported, limit writable script locations, and enable audit logging. If things go wrong, check execution policy, file permissions, antivirus or gatekeeper, and SE Linux or AppArmor denials. Use system logs to pinpoint failures. Finally, revert overly broad policies and iterate until stable and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.